Hello. Hello and welcome. How you doing? We're finally starting this live stream. So how you doing, Eric? Mr. Striker, welcome. Where was my latest chart? Yeah, here it is. So it looks like Bitcoin has broken from below the horizontal level of support. So we might be looking for a short signal soon. I'm doing very good. It's time to spot new opportunities in the market. It's about time we get it started. It's been a while since the last YouTube live stream. Before we used to stream on Twitch, now we are doing it on TradingView. So right now the challenge of 500% ROI didn't start yet, but we are going to start it very soon. I believe that Monday will be the first US session. It will be the first New York session. It would be the first session that we trade. So yeah, right now we're chilling. We're on Saturday. The markets are closed. Meanwhile, the crypto never closed, but the thing is that the big volume isn't there. There is a small volume. That's why they tell you to avoid trading during the weekends, because the smart money isn't in the market. So you could notice some volatility in the market during weekends. So that's why it's the best not to trade them, unless you're looking for a swing for a weekly, for example, for a swing that would last at least a week. So in this live stream, we are going to analyze a lot of things for you. We're going to analyze Bitcoin, Ethereum, any coin you guys recommend. Welcome to each and every single one of you. I love you all. And I'm very happy, honestly. The month of March is a very good month because we have made tons of profits. Really tons of profits. We made it publicly. Like we have posted a couple of YouTube videos, and I have given you a free signal on YouTube. I have given you the Ethereum signal, and it went for over 60% profits using multiple 10 leverage, which is almost around multiple 2. And I've given you the ZRX and much more for free. So congratulations if you have entered, and if you didn't enter, no problem. I think the voice should be high right now. So congratulations to each and every single one of you if you have watched our previous YouTube videos. And if you didn't, no problem at all. Opportunities never come to an end. So right now we are hunting the new opportunity for Bitcoin. Feel free to watch the live stream. If you have any question, feel free to ask. I would love to explain to you what I'm doing. Honestly, my strategy is very simple. Same thing goes to my analysis. It's very simple. So if you watch my live stream 4, 5, 6 times, you could become a trader. If you know a little bit about when it comes to technical analysis and you watch my live streams, you will know like what's my strategy, what are my entries based on. It's very simple and it works. It's accurate. And do you know why it's accurate? Because I stick to discipline. Like my entries are only based on my strategy. So we are starting right now. What are my entries based on? It's very simple and it works. It's accurate. So starting off with the first chart. And by the way, starting off with the first chart. Alright, so I have made this uptrend over here, which is accurate, as you can totally see. By the way, Joe, Parth, BPZ, and Eric, strike already. Welcome all, and I'm glad to see you active on the chat. So we are going to be starting off with Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. We are looking for the short-term time frame because right now the challenge, the 500% ROI challenge is starting, and I'm looking for short-term trades. I'm looking for a new opportunity because we have done tons of longs from here. We have went for profits. We have long Pepe and Sheep, but these positions started before the new challenge. So right now we are currently in a new challenge. I didn't want to trade this. Like, I've had a prediction where we could have a pullback to the upside, which actually happened when we retested this. We've had a pullback to the upside. As you could totally see here, I predicted that the price will dump off Bitcoin, and I also predicted that there will be some reversal from here. So that's exactly what happened. The price went down. I didn't want to short because the entry was late, and I didn't want to long because honestly, after a large move to the downside like this, most of the time you need a strong confirmation to go long. So I didn't go long here. But for me, I think that this breakout from below could be a good potential for shorts. So right now what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to be checking the USDT dominance and see if things seem to be bearish. In case you haven't used USDT dominance before, this is how it works. If USDT dominance is bullish, the market is bearish. And if USDT dominance is bearish, the market is bullish. And that's the secret. This is the very secret of how I have managed to catch the longs from the top, which was it was very obvious that USDT dominance was going to dump here, so I went for longs in the market. So right now USDT dominance is pumping, so this could be bearish for the market, except that right now we are currently retesting a resistance. So knowing that we are currently retesting a resistance, I will not go in any position right now because it would be a 50-50% chance. There is no confirmation for longs, there's no confirmation for shorts. Meanwhile, for Bitcoin, there is this good scenario over here, the breakout from below, but we don't have our confirmation from USDT dominance. So I'm not going for short here because we could definitely even see something like this, and then we go back inside of the trend. So before I go in any position, I want to play it safe, honestly, in the beginning. Like, the first trades in any challenge are the most important. So right now I will not open a short position, but I will keep my eyes on Bitcoin. Meanwhile, I have to open a new chart, new trading view for another USD dominance chart. Hold on 1 second. Other of King, I'm always waiting for your live streams. Well, I'm glad to hear so, Joe. Welcome anytime, buddy. Honestly, without people like you, live streams wouldn't be a thing for Cherif. So, as you can totally see, we have made this downtrend over here. USDT dominance broken from above of it. So there could have been a chance for shorts here around this area, but now it's kind of late. And knowing that there is this and this resistances here, we have the first resistance and then we have the second resistance. So right now USD dominance might see some reversal to the downside, like a little bit, a very tiny reversal. So if you are going to scalp, I think right now it's the time for a very small long positions in the market. It's going to be like 10% profits, 15% profits, nothing more, nothing less. But only if a coin is very bullish, that's when you could enter. Giveaway please to me. Hello Evil, good to see you, buddy. Well, we will name them with the winners of the giveaway within a couple of minutes, maybe like 30 minutes. Well, I think Monday would be the first session. I might open a position if we finish with the MEXC exchange and the progress at the beginning. We might start Sunday, Monday. But right now I don't see a position for the moment. Right now we should be observing and generating opportunities. So for example here, APT seemed to be bearish. We have broken from below this trend, and we have broken from below of this balance. We have also broken from below the 0.618 Fibonacci. We are currently breaking from below of it. So there might be a chance to go shorts on APT, risky shorts, but if the stop loss is good. Okay, 5%, 57%. This might be the first position. This might be the first. But we have to check on the daily time frame to see what kind of structure we're going through. Okay, so we could see that on the daily time frame, APT is bearish. So breakout from below of a parallel channel, and then we have formed a balance, and we have broken from below with a very strong bearish momentum. The stop loss is not bad. Yeah, sure, I would definitely take a look at SUI. If you have any coin you would like to recommend, I will definitely do it. So we could go for a risky scalp here, and the final TPO would be around the double bottom over here. All right. Should we risk higher stop loss, like 50%? All right, let's do it. So the first target is going to be here. %. And this is going to be the second target. Honestly, I will stop using several targets soon. So this could either become a pennant over here, or it would be a pennant with a double bottom like this, which would be very bullish. If this happens and we see reversal to the upside, I will definitely long so hard around this area when we go back in. We will keep our eyes in APT, by the way, so no worries. Time to post this and get it started. Stay with me, I'm posting this. Alright, after this we're going to take a look at SUI. Let's delete what we have here, let's open a new one. The thing is, right now on SUI we're currently retesting support. Let's see which one would be the most accurate. This would be the most accurate for SUI. And we are using a rectangle over here because we are using two lines because of the volatility. So we have formed a rally dump. This area is very strong over here. So if we ever give it a retest around the price of 2.475, it would be definitely shorts. The thing is, usually with such pattern like this on a support, rarely things become bullish. I need to check on the 1 hour time frame. 1 second. It's like a fail. Right now, SUI is currently forming a balance in this area. So if we zoom in the 15 minutes time frame, we're currently waiting for a confirmation. It's either going to be a breakout from below of this or a breakout from above this. If we go from below of the price of 2.2772, SUI is going to hell. It's going to dump so hard. So this is a downtrend. We have given it a retest and then we have rejected off of below. Honestly, we're currently sitting at a very strong level of support over here. If we break from below of it, we will dump this level over here. Breakout from below equals shorts, equal hard shorts. Yes, sir. No worries, the giveaway soon. BNB USDT. Keep on watching the live stream and you will win. Where did you come from, by the way, Professor? Did you come from NAFL Gamers? Did you come from Twitter or from Discord? Yeah, definitely. The knowledge is worth. Funds come and go, but knowledge is always there. You never lose it. Even if you share it to 1 billion people, the knowledge doesn't come to an end. Knowledge is what gives you the ability to make unlimited amount of funds, honestly. It's the real deal. That's how you get things done. By the way, APT is kind of a risky position. It's good, but it's a little bit risky, so don't go in with too much. Like, focus on the first target only. First target or second target. Or first target, set a stop loss a little bit above of the entry, and then look for the second target. But we're not looking for higher than that. But the opposite thing for SUI USDT, if we manage to break from below of this support, which is around the price of $2.28, we are going to go bigger shorts, honestly. Way bigger. If we break from below of this will be the first target, 2.8%, but the second target is going to be huge. It's going to be 76%, and the third target will be 140%, and could even go up to 200%. So, Professor, how did you find our live stream, by the way? Evil Gamers. You too, how did you find our YouTube channel? So you guys recommended BNB and recommended this. So for BNB, I was doing a chart right now. Smart money is currently on BNB because here on the daily time frame, we are squeezing out. I have a chart already. Let me look for it. Here it is. There is a hidden pennant that not many people have noticed on BNB. We might be heading to the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement if we break from below this support. Right now, BNB could be a little bit bearish until this, and from here I will do some longs on BNB. I will be longing BNB around the price of $560. Bullery, yo dude, it's good to see you. So yeah, we are going to dump here until 560, but I'm not going in any position right now. Maybe? Let me see. Could risk a little bit of shorts, honestly. But I don't want to right now. I really don't want to. I'm looking for safe entries right now. So yeah, we will keep on going sideways, downwards until 560. From here I will long BNB. I will leave a limit order over here. Stop loss shouldn't be really huge. It should be, we will use multiple 3 leverage because we're going to try to look for a breakout from above. But the first target could be around this horizontal level of resistance, and you have the next target on the second TP. Let's check on Ethereum. Ethereum is very important. Broken from below of the value. Should be going downwards still. When you said APT reminded me to check APUSDT. Would definitely check APE. Still good entry. So here there is, let's see the value of Ethereum around this range. So this is the point of control worked accurately. Then we have broken from below. Balance, we might see rejection from here. You see how my line worked perfectly with the point of control? I have done this support, this resistance of the balance, and as you can see, like, this was super accurate, guys. This was super accurate, and you could totally see, like, I did this out of nowhere, and when you open the value of Ethereum, just like we did right now, you will find that the point of control is on the resistance that I have made, and accurately, like, super sniped. Not only that, you see this colored area here in the bottom, like there is the colored area, the dark blue, and here this is the light blue. This is the value over here. This is the support of the value. Here. Here it is. This is the support of the value. So right now there could be a chance to risk short Ethereum, but I don't want to enter in any position right now. There could be a chance, because I wouldn't be surprised to get back in inside of the balance. It happens. Because so far I don't have my confirmation from the UST dominance to either long or short. I need my confirmation first. Yeah, it's risky. I don't want to open any position except for APT. One position is enough. But this is definitely short, like, look at this. I'm looking for potential setups for Monday. So we have broken from below the psychological level of $2,000, and then we have broken from below of the point of control, and then we have broken from below the horizontal rectangle. Professor, we already are doing Ethereum, by the way. We're doing Ethereum already. So this is the retest. How much would the stop loss be if we short from here? 13%. This seemed to be interesting, honestly. Honestly, this seemed to be interesting. You will get to choose between one. It's either going to be Ethereum or APT. Don't go in two positions. The stop loss is tight here, that's why we're picking this position. And there is a good risk reward ratio. Okay. %50 less TP. Only use multiple 10 or multiple 15 leverage at a maximum. But I'm so proud of my levels, dude. I'm so proud of them. We're getting in. So we're looking for a chart now for Link USDT. I will give you analysis for Link USDT. Turkmezon Ottoman Empire. Nasılsın? Same thing here, we've had a breakout on Link. As you can totally see, very accurate uptrend. Super accureto. But then you could totally see we've had the breakout. No chance for reversal to the upside. Definitely time for correction. Let's see the 0.618 of the wave. We are approaching to it. We definitely could see some continuation to the downside until this area around here. Here. There it is. The thing is, you can't short here, but what you can do is wait for reversal to the upside. The first time we retest this area over here, where we also have got a horizontal level of resistance, we could definitely go for shorts around this area, because when you miss a chance to go shorts at the breakout, during the breakout, you wait for a retest around this area. It's well known. Some people trade breakouts in different ways. They either trade breakouts once it's happening, they take the risk and enter early, or they wait for a pullback again around the retest of the breakout area, and then they could go for shorts again. So in my opinion, Link right now is still bearish. We could go down, we could either continue going to the downside, or we could have our chance by pulling back up to this resistance in order to fill liquidity, which is also a psychological level of support resistance. So it's a psychological level of resistance, it's an horizontal resistance, and it's the area of the breakout. So there could definitely be good shorts over here right now. In my opinion, the best position for me would be if Link gets back to this. Hopefully we don't see strong bullish momentum, because sometimes they like to actually go back on retesting the actual trend. This happens sometimes. We have seen it last week in Dogecoin short. Like, it kept on retesting the trend before going for a large dump, which is usual. So in my opinion right now, these ones could be very good short, because even if we go back up to this area, we could be forming a head and shoulders pattern, which is around here. This could be the head and this would be the shoulder. There it is. So it could be like a bigger confirmation for more short positions. So the move could be big if we actually see shorts. So in my opinion, we will be looking for multiple 5 leverage signal in order to have a larger stop loss. And here's why. Because even if we form the right shoulder, our stop loss is going to be around 7.45%. And using multiple 10 leverage is going to be risky. So in my opinion, we could use multiple 5 leverage, and we could have a good first target, which should be in the bottom of this support as a first target. Moving on to the second target, it should be around here, 12.7. So this is what we could be looking for. Striker ready. Or the analysis, yeah, for sure. So this could be a very good head and shoulders pattern over here. Same thing goes to Ada Cardano. Let's check on with Ada Cardano. After Ada Cardano, we will be checking another coin for our King Striker, which is going to be RDUSDT. So there we have seen the breakout from below. By the way, guys, thank you for leaving a like on the live stream. So, Ada Cardano is also bearish. After this breakout, we have broken from below this value, so we are either going downwards immediately or we will go up until 0.7, then crash from there. I think that we are going back to $0.5 on Ada Cardano. So even Ada Cardano is bearish. And honestly, I've been also bearish on Bitcoin. I've also been bearish on Bitcoin. I already told you about the $88,000 here. As you can totally see, I told you that for me, Bitcoin long ends here at 90k or 88k. So that's what happened. We went to $88,000 and we have topped right there. And recently we have broken from below of the parallel channel to the upside. So we could be expecting to see some continuation to the downside from here. But we are not going to do any other entry. We are going to just observe right now. Because what we know is there are still going to be bigger shorts than this. There are going to be bigger shorts in the market, and do you know why? It's because of this, and you're a very lucky person to see. You see, we already have predicted the short from $108,000, and we have predicted more shorts thanks to this as well. You see here we have formed a double bottom pattern, and we have broken from above the neckline. That's why USDT dominance went for a big pump, as you could totally see. And as I told you earlier on the stream, if USDT dominance pumps, the market goes down. So that's why I've been short mostly when we have broken from above the double bottom neckline. That's how we made profits from shorting the market. Right now we are forming another bullish pattern on the USDT dominance, which is way bigger than the double bottom pattern, which means that the market is going down soon. And here's when the market is going down. I confidently say this, inshallah. So this is the neckline of a well-known pattern named rounding bottom. Because as you can totally see, after a large dump, we have went for a clear, it's very clean rounding bottom pattern. You see it rounding over here. So this is the neckline of the rounding bottom pattern. And even if we go up, we are still going to have another bigger rounding bottom pattern. So it's going to be a series of breakouts. USD dominance is going to pump very hard. Very hard. Except that what we're looking for is when is the perfect entry? When is USD dominance going to be breaking from above of this horizontal rectangle? And for me, there are a couple of levels where I could snipe the entries for shorts in the market. Honestly, for me, the best entry would be having a retest around 5%. If we go down and have another 5% and the market pumps because USD dominance went down, we are going to definitely short from the top. I hope that you guys be with me during this. So it's time to check RD for our friend Striker. So for RD, same thing goes to RD. Right now we are currently bearish. Broken from below the bearish flag. This bearish flag went for so long. So in my opinion, the shorts are going to last longer. It's going to last longer. And for SUI, we already have made a prediction for you. Here it is. For SUI, if we break from below the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, we are going down so hard. And honestly, already on the short-term time frame, we have formed a rally dump scenario, so we could start looking for shorts here. So let's wait for the confirmation first. How's APT? Okay, APT is going down, and how's Ethereum going? Ethereum is going down as well. Hopefully things are going to be this way. I want you to be ready for Monday live stream. For now, I'm going to do a small Q&A. I will give away $10 to a random winner. If you guys are here active on the chat, are you active on the chat? Is everyone active on the chat? I'm gonna do a $10 giveaway. I'm going to delay the $50 giveaway until the US session, the first New York session. Right now, I am going to give away a random $10. It's an extra. Yeah, I'm going to stream on Monday. I'm going to stream here on YouTube on the New York session. So everyone open your Discord, open the Crypto Signals Premium main chat, and I'm going to ask a question. The first one to answer is going to receive $10. Time Monday is around 2:30 GMT plus 1, which is 9 a.m. New York time. 9 a.m., 9:30 a.m. New York time. So we're going to live stream in the beginning of the New York session. Day trading. We are going to officially start the 500% ROI challenge. This is going to be a big move for Crypto Signals Premium. Hopefully we win this. So everyone, open main chat, type here so I know that you are active. Everyone type here. Alright, everyone on main chat, type here, type here, type here. Alright. So I'm going to ask a very easy. It's going to be very easy. First one to answer on Discord is going to win the giveaway. By the way, guys, Yeah, market is bearish. Do you find this live stream useful? I think that you do. We have analyzed Bitcoin, we have analyzed Ethereum, ORD, Link, USDT. We have opened 2 short positions. I think that this would be useful. On Monday, we will, the live stream should be longer. It should take around 2 hours at least. We are going to be focusing 100% concentrating on the market. I will show you the journey of Sheriff, how he trades during the US session, aka New York session. Hopefully everything will be okay. So, within 30 seconds, I am going to ask a question, and the first one to answer on Discord main chat is going to win quickie $10. Are you ready, chat? Is everyone ready? Let's do it. Type ready if you're ready on the YouTube chat. Everyone is answering on Discord instead. All right, open up your Discord. I'm going to ask a very quickie. Waiting for Brandon to join the live stream. All right, just a tip. Lower the quality of this live stream so the internet speed is better for you, and restart the live stream. I will give you another minute for that. I will even type the question on Discord, so there's no delay, so things are fair. Welcome, Brandon. Okay, so I'm gonna ask the question right now. I'm typing it. So the question is, what's 5 plus 25? 5 plus 25. What is 5 plus 25? 5 plus 25. Okay, I'm giving away another $10. First winner, BPZ. First winner is BPZ. Okay, congratulations. We are going to do the second giveaway. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, by the way. Okay, the second giveaway. We are going to give away another $10. I'm going to ask another question. I'm currently typing it. So, the question is, who is the President of the United States? Elon Musk. Good one. Okay, good one. Should we give away another 10 USDT? What do you think? Or should we leave it till Monday? Okay, the last time, okay. All right. So, I am going to ask the third question. The first one to answers wins. Let me think of an easy question. Okay, I'm typing the question now. So, the question is, who is the current president of Russia? Wow, BPZ won 2 giveaways. Holy shit. Well done. Congrats, buddy. Those fingers, man. Lucky girlfriend you have. Let's do this shit, guys. Okay. Thank you very much. Let's do this again on Monday. I would love to see each and every single one of you there. Monday will be bigger. See you around, guys. If you have any question, feel free to contact me via DM on Discord. Have a lovely week.